Oh, that was...
So what's the problem? Say hello, I'm Phil.
Oh, hello, I'm Dr. Phil.
Hello, I'm Will, and now I'm gonna be Brian. I'm sorry, I thought you said immigration. Okay. And what's the problem? My little cousin Eric. He's been bullying me around. Why is that? Because I told him not to hold my dog, and he just kicked my shin and laughed and ran away. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm just so emotional. Okay.
What's the other problem?
His little twin sisters been teaming up with him, and they both kicked me in the shin today. And it hurt really bad.
Did you deserve it?
No.
Why did they kick in the shin?
Because I didn't let him touch my dog.
Why didn't you let him touch your dog?
Because they like kill it and grab it by the neck.
Make it funny!
Hold on.